how to disable Face ID in your GCash app. This is very simple. I will show you how it's done. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press like. Be sure to check out our other videos too. Now let's start. Now first what you'll need to do is you need to open device settings. Then go to the device settings on your Android device. Then you need to find and select GCash app from the list of installed applications. Then you need to look for security or biometrics section within the GCash app. Now you need to look for option that says biometric authentication and then be sure to disable it. It might be labeled as disable biometrics or use PIN. You might need to use PIN too. Now after you've confirmed to disable biometrics by using your PIN, you just need to follow the on-screen instructions. After you have done all those, confirm the action if prompted, and then your Face ID will be disabled for a GCash app. Now that is how you disable GCash app. Now that is how you disable Face ID on a GCash app on your Android device. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.